Highway Engineering MCQs, Part 6. Welcome back to CivTech Simplified. Today's focus is on Highway Engineering, Part 6, where we'll walk through the 50 MCQs, question 251 to 300. Each question comes with a clearly marked correct answer, making it easier for you to follow along and reinforce your understanding. For basic concepts, refer to Part 1. If you're looking for basic concepts, important definitions, and foundational understanding, we recommend watching Part 1 first. Watch here. Let's begin this learning journey together. MCQs, Part 6. Question 251. The traffic census is carried out to study A. Speed and delay. B. Traffic volume. C. Road parking. D. Origin and destination. Correct option, C. Road parking. 252. The purpose of traffic signals is to A. Provide an orderly movement of traffic. B. Reduce the frequency of accidents of some special nature. C. Control speed on the main highways. D. All of the above. Correct option, D. All of the above. 253. Traffic actuated signals may be A. Full traffic actuated signals. B. Semi-traffic actuated signals. C. Speed control signals. ED. All of these. Correct option, D. All of these. 254. If the traffic detectors are used on all the approaches to an intersection, the control signal is known as A. Full traffic actuated signal. B. Semi-traffic actuated signal. C. Speed control signal. D. All of these. Correct option, A. Full traffic actuated signal. 255. A complete signal time cycle constitutes A. Red timing. B. Yellow timing. C. Green timing. D. All of these. Correct option, D. All of these. 256. Flashing yellow beam are sometimes employed as A. Stopping signal. B. Proceeding signal. C. Warning signal. D. None of these. Correct option, C. Warning signal. 257. In large cities, especially in congested areas, one-way streets are provided in order to A. Reduce to a minimum the possible conflicting points. B. Increase the carrying capacity of the street. C. Eliminate at night the glare from headlamps of opposite vehicles. D. All of the above. Correct option, D. All of the above. 258. The parking of vehicles is usually preferred at 75 degrees to the aisles. A. True. B. False. Correct option, A. True. 259. In case of multi-lane road, overtaking is generally permitted from A. Left side. B. Right side. C. Both sides. D. Any one of these. Correct option, C. Both sides. 260. At a road junction, cross-conflict points are severe if both are two-way roads. A. 5, B. 7, C. 9, D. 16. Correct option, D. 16. 261. The factor which governs the installation of signals is A. Minimum vehicular volume from different streets at an intersection. B. Minimum pedestrian volume of an intersection. C. Need for interruption of high-volume continuous traffic on Main Street. D. All of the above. Correct option, D. All of the above. 262. Dead slow is A. A. Regulatory sign. B. Warning sign. C. Informatory sign. D. None of these. Correct option, A. Regulatory sign. 263. Level crossing is A. A. Regulatory sign. B. Warning sign. C. informatory sign, D, none of these. Correct option, B, warning sign. 264. End of speed limit is A. A, regulatory sign. B, warning sign. C, informatory sign. D, none of these. Correct option, C, informatory sign. 265. A road sign is generally installed above the ground at a height of A, 2.75 meters to 2.80 meters. B, 2.95 meters to 3.00 meters. C, 3.15 meters to 3.5 meters. D, more than 3.5 meters. Correct option, A, 2.75 meters to 2.80 meters. 266. The maximum number of vehicles can be parked with A, parallel parking. B, right-angle parking. C, 45-degree angle parking. D, 75-degree angle parking. Correct option, A, parallel parking. 267. The color of light used for visibility-adding fog is A, red. B, yellow. C, green. D, white. Correct option, B, yellow. 268. The length of the side of warning sign boards of roads is A, 30 centimeters. B, 45 centimeters. C, 60 centimeters. D, 75 centimeters. Correct option, B, 45 centimeters. 269. The most efficient traffic signal system is A, simultaneous system. B, alternate system. C, flexible progressive system. D, simple progressive system. Correct option, C, flexible progressive system. 270. Area of steel required per meter width of pavement for a length of 20 meters for design wheel load 6,300 kilograms and permissible stress in steel 1,400 kilograms per square centimeter is A, 70 kilograms per square centimeter. B, 80 kilograms per square centimeter. C, 90 kilograms per square centimeter. D, 100 kilograms per square centimeter. Correct option, C, 90 kilograms per square centimeter. 271st. Pavement is said to be flexible if it contains A, water-bound macadam surface. B, stabilized soil base constructed of lime cement or tar. C, bitumen-bound stone layer of varying aggregates. D, all the above. Correct option, D, all the above. 272nd. Design of flexible pavement involves A, wheel loads. B, intensity of traffic. C, climate of the region. D, subgrade conditions. Correct option, C, climate of the region. 273rd. Design of flexible pavements is based on A, mathematical analysis. B, empirical formula. C, a compromise of pure theory and pure empirical formula. D, none of these. Correct option, C, a compromise of pure theory and pure empirical formula. 274. California. Bearing ratio method of designing flexible pavements is more accurate as it involves A, characteristics of soils. B, traffic intensities. C, character of the road-making materials. D, none of these. Correct option, C, character of the road-making materials. 275. Following type of pavement is generally known as flexible pavement. A, water-bound macadam roads. B, stabilized soil roads. C, road constructed with various layers of building material well compacted. D, all the above. Correct option, D, all the above. 276. Bottom-most component of a flexible pavement. A, subgrade. B, sub-base. C, base. D, base course. Correct option, A, subgrade. 277. For the design of cement concrete pavement for corner loading, Indian Road Congress recommends the use of A. Westergaard's formula, B. Kelly's formula, C. Goldbeck's formula, D. Picker's formula. Correct option, D. Picker's formula. 278. If D is the economic designed depth of a slab, the thickness of the cement concrete pavement slab at interior is kept A. 1.275 days, B. 1.125 days, C. 0.85 D. 0.75 degrees. Correct option, C. 0.85 degrees, 279th. Reinforcement in cement concrete slab of road pavements is placed A. Longitudinally, B. Transversely, C. Longitudinally and transversely, D. In the form of welded wire mesh. Correct option, D. In the form of welded wire mesh. 280. Depth of reinforcement below the surface of a concrete pavement is generally kept A. 5 cm, pi. 6 cm, C. 7 cm, diameter. 8 cm. Correct option, A. 5 cm. 281. In welded wire mesh, the longitudinal wire is placed at A. 10 cm centers, B. 15 cm centers, C. 20 cm centers, D. 25 cm centers. Correct option, B. 15 cm centers. 282. To prevent compressive stresses in a rigid concrete pavement, the joint provided is A. Expansion joint, B. Contraction joint, C. Hinged joint, D. All the above. Correct option, D. All the above. 283. If the width of a pavement slab is 7.5 meters, thickness 20 centimeters, and working stress 1,400 kilograms per square centimeter, spacing of 10 millimeter tie bars for the longitudinal joint is A. 10 centimeter, B. 20 centimeter, C. 30 centimeter, akalam. 40 centimeter. Correct option, C. 30 centimeter, 284. For maximum strength and durability, minimum percentage of cement by weight is A. 15%, B. 20%, C. 25%, Tata. 30%. Correct option, D. 30%, 285. Pick up the incorrect statement from the following. If water-cement ratio is dot. A. Increased strength of concrete increases, B. Decreased strength of concrete increases, C. Increased strength of concrete is not affected, D. None of these. Correct option, C. Increased strength of concrete is not affected. 286. To indicate proper control of consistency of a freshly mixed concrete for pavement construction, the slump should be between A. 3 to 5 centimeters, B. 4 to 6 centimeters, C. 5 to 7 centimeters, diameter, 7 to 10 centimeters. Correct option, D. 7 to 10 centimeters. 287. Minimum number of 50 kilogram cement bags per cubic meter of concrete for a mix corresponding to crushing strength 280 kilograms per square centimeter at 28 days are A. 5, B. 6.5, C. 7, D. 7 madam 5 nal. Correct option, B. Shestapet. 288. When load is applied on concrete pavement. A. Away from edges, the maximum bending moment is negative. B. Away from edges, the maximum bending moment cause compression. C. On the edges, the maximum stress is parallel to the edge of the slab. D. None of these. Correct option, C. On the edges, the maximum stress is parallel to the edge of the slab. 289. Side drains on both sides of a hill road are essential when the road is A. Along the spur curves, B. along the reentrant curves, C. In cutting, D. None of these. Correct option, C. In cutting. 290th. Stability of hill slopes depends upon A. Nature of the slope. B. Angle of the slope. C. Geological conditions. D. All the above. Correct option, D. All the above. 291. An ideal pavement is constructed with A. Bricks. B. Hard soil. C. Portland cement concrete. D. Tar. Correct option, C. Portland cement concrete. 292. In case of cement concrete pavements, pick up the incorrect statement. A. Tractive resistance is low. B. Initial cost of construction is high. C. Initial cost of construction is low. D. Visibility during nights is high. Correct option, C. Initial cost of construction is low. 293. In cement concrete pavements, tensile stress is due to A. Bending or deflection under wheel loads. B. Difference in temperature of the top and bottom of pavement. C. Contraction of slab during falling temperature. D. All the above. Correct option, D. All the above. 294. The basic formula for determination of pavement thickness was first suggested by A. Spangler. B. Pickett. C. Kelly. D. Goldbeck. Correct option, D. Goldbeck. 295. When each particle of aggregates is thinly coated with cement paste, a heterogeneous solid is formed, which is known as A. Hydration. B. Gel. C. Concrete. D. None of these. Correct option, C. Concrete. 296. The wall constructed for the stability of a backfilling portion of a road on the downhill side is known as A. Retaining wall. B. Breast wall. C. Parapet wall. D. All the above. Correct option, A. Retaining wall. 297. Retaining walls are generally constructed with dry rubble stones with 60 centimeters top width and A. 1-2 front batter. B. 1-3 front batter. C. 1-4 front batter. D. 1-5 front batter. Correct option, B. 1-3 front batter. 298. In retaining and breast walls, weep holes are provided at A. 50 centimeters vertical height and 50 centimeters center to center horizontally. B. 100 centimeters vertical height and 100 centimeters center to center horizontally. C. 100 centimeters vertical height and 120 centimeters center to center horizontally. D. 120 centimeters vertical height and 100 centimeters center to center horizontally. Correct option, C. 100 centimeters vertical height and 120 centimeters center to center horizontally. 299. Hill roads are A. Provided camber along spur curves. B. Provided camber along valley curves. C. Seldom provided a camber. D. None of these. Correct option, C. Seldom provided a camber. 300. Intermediate catch water drains are provided only if A. Catchment area of the watershed above road is large. B. Intensity of rainfall is heavy. C. Single catch water drain is inadequate. D. All the above. Correct option, D. All the above. Thank you for watching. You've completed the Part 6 of Highway Engineering MCQs series. 300 MCQs would be shared in total, fully solved and exam-focused. Our videos are perfect for PE, FE, PPSC, FPSC, SSC, JE, RRB, KPPSC, and more. Subscribe to CivTech Simplified for upcoming parts on this topic and other MCQs videos on hydraulics machines, soil mechanics, RCC, and more. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.